Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to fix this, but if you're lucky it will work for you. If you're not, but you have the idea. But for me it worked for me in Laravel 8. So first of all, this is the error I see on the screen, and let me see if I get that for you. It doesn't work. Let me go to my terminal. cd to var. Okay, I'm starting server. You can see even on the route I find this, even on the command prompt I find this. So because I made some mistakes in one of the major files in Laravel, that's why I get that. So look, contain the, you see it talks about the web.php middleware group. Now create something great. Okay, you can see that we're using Laravel, but on page 18 that's where they say the problem. But no, what you got to understand, it complains about these pages, but the problem is not on these lines. That's one of the trick you have to get to understand, that it can complain about these lines. You can comment all the lines, you're gonna get a problem still, but you can see that how could this line be wrong and they were running before. So well, that's it. I'm gonna show you what to do if you did the same mistakes. Okay, I'm gonna show you here, not here, here, controller. I'm gonna go to my file where I put my Laravel. Okay, it goes to web. Web is in resources, not the routes. Yes, it talks. And when you have that kind of errors, you cannot work any. You can see that I have is complaining about this line 18 and this and this. So but even if we comment everything, still we're gonna get what? Errors. So I can even try to take out everything now here. Still I'm gonna get into trouble. But anyway, I discovered I made a mistake here. Check line by line. On this thing I put in that line, you get me, I forgot a semicolon here. You can see that semicolon caused issues, and that issue can be caused in each and every page, so you never run your Laravel. So check up your files, what you added, which lines you added, then try to fix. I put a semicolon here only. I save, but it took me almost 30 minutes to know that that's the mistake I made. And when I searched on Stack Overflow, I find like it was something else for someone. Then also mine it was someone, but same error. Okay, so I'm gonna recall my command php @send serve, and I run it. You can see now the server is running. So I'm gonna go to open a link and you can see my Laravel is working. You get me? So that error is so unique because I have another error, but that another error does not conflict with the other pages, only this page. You can see that's the other error. This one, it's me to fix this, but if I go to, okay, let me do this. I have this error, right? But still, if I have that out and save, this page gonna forget the new error to go to old error. You can see this old error. That's the issue now. You got to understand what's going on there. Sure. Okay, for that reason I suggest you check in page by page. As long as they give you the page, you can see this page, then you check on that page. Laravel command is gonna give you, you're gonna check line by line those new lines you put in. Maybe by mistake you put in something new which is not supposed to be there, so that's it. I'm gonna fix it again, then I'm done. Remember to give us this. Okay, now we can go back and see. I'm going to clear this, the first one, then I'll recall my command. You can see it's running perfectly, but remember the first time to give us trouble. Well, that's what I could help you guys with. If you didn't fix the error, but it's related to mistyping or semicolon, something like that, you forgot, please check the specific page they give you line by line. You can see that page is not even longer, and make sure everything is good. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Yeah, that's the end of our video tutorial. If it helped you, please leave a comment. We are in Laravel 8. You could find that issue, maybe it was also in 7, 6, 5, whatever, all those previous ones, but in this year we're using Laravel 8. Thanks, see you in the next video.